guys, today I'm giving you a quick tour of my just built DIY camper kitchen unit. Of course its built is not completed yet. This box has two main compartments. On the right hand side, two drawers are installed. The right lower drawer will be used for burner. Underneath it, there is a pull-out rail, where I am going to install a chopping board, and can spare space of collapsible wash basin. Here, one is a slight higher drawer tray, where most of the glossaries can be kept. In the left compartment, there are equally distributed space for 3 drawer trays. Those can be used for glossaries, utensils and other miscellaneous kitchen requirements. All the trays are about 24 inches long and 15 inches broad. The box is made using 18-gauge powder-coated galvanized sheet. The door will be installed sooner. Total weight of the box as of now is 40 kilograms and little more. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share the video and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.